The streets you walk every day, the cities you build or invest in, are choking on their own chaos. Traffic jams that never end, pollution that kills quietly, energy wasted, citizens frustrated, disconnected, screaming silently for solutions. Every system built so far is tangled in bureaucracy, slow, dumb, and blind, unable to keep up with the pace of human ambition and suffering. The reality is harsh. Smart city promises have been watered down to nothing but empty buzzwords and flashy presentations. Meanwhile, cities sprawl uncontrollably. Resources drain like sand through fingers, and leaders face impossible expectations. This is a crisis wrapped in disguise. But here's what's maddening. You have the tools to change everything staring right in the face. Artificial intelligence isn't some sci-fi daydream anymore. It's no longer confined to labs or hidden behind corporate walls. It's the secret firepower that, if unleashed with boldness and precision, can tear apart the failing systems and remake cities into living, breathing, learning organisms. Listen closely. Stop seeing AI as just some luxury add-on or a shiny tech gadget. AI-driven smart cities are not about more cameras or sensors. They are about intelligence that feels, adapts, thinks, and acts in real time. The first brutal truth: if your action plan doesn't integrate AI that understands human patterns, predicts crises before they explode, and optimizes resources dynamically every second, you're already falling behind. Start by demanding AI systems that don't just process data, but decode human needs deeply and intuitively. Uncover those hidden traffic patterns, energy spikes, crime trends, and resource gaps before they become riots, blackouts, or economic failures. Push to adopt AI that breaks down silos, not just between departments, but between minds and sectors, creating an unshakable network of information flow and decision-making power. Now here's where it gets real. Forget incremental steps. You must think in leaps. Build platforms where AI constantly learns from citizens' interactions, from changing environmental factors, from infrastructure wear and tear, where it is not a static system, but a relentless force of adaptation. Usher in AI-driven urban planning that predicts future needs, designs green energy solutions on the fly, and makes transportation seamless and carbon neutral. Demand AI ethics frameworks embedded deeply from day one, because the future of smart cities isn't just technology, it's trust, transparency, and fairness. Push investors to back startups that rebel against outdated city models and imagine new ones fueled by data and AI that empower every individual, not just big corporations or governments. If you want to see smart cities become a reality tomorrow, here's a command: restructure your partnerships. Build alliances that combine AI expertise with deep local knowledge. Combine startups with seasoned urban planners who know what silence in a neighborhood really means. Invest in initiatives where AI conversations include the voices of the unheard, the invisible, the underestimated parts of the city. Transform static infrastructure into living organisms that learn, respond, and evolve. Demand from governments policies that are flexible enough to allow AI innovation, but strict enough to prevent abuse. A tightrope walked by the brave few who understand the stakes. This is a battle for the soul of our cities, a fight against inertia, ignorance, and fear. Each small step without AI will cost human lives, the planet's health, and future generations' dreams. But each smart decision to harness AI's true potential can ignite revolutions invisible to the headlines, silently transforming every street, every block, into hubs of resilience, vitality, and freedom. Your role is not passive. You are the founders, investors, and leaders who either surrender to the old broken cycle or step up, grab AI by the reins, and steer humanity into a new era. The future of cities is not written yet, but the script is in your hands. Demand AI that listens deeply, acts swiftly, and thinks far beyond the horizon. Break down the walls between technology and humanity. Unlock the smart city not as an illusion, but as the very pulse that connects us all. Time is ruthless and waits for no one. Decide now. Be the spark that burns this old world down and lights the fires of cities rebuilt on intelligence, empathy, and fierce human spirit. No more waiting. No more excuses. The smart city is not a question of if, but how and who will claim it first. Be that force,